Through the blinding white fury of the night storm, a lone guardian moves with purpose against nature's frozen wrath. His ears catch what human senses cannot, a faint cry carried on the cruel wind, pulling him deeper into the white wilderness. Through the swirling white, an orange flicker reveals the crisis, a stranded soul rapidly losing to the cold's embrace. With explosive power, he charges through chest-deep snow, each bound bringing him closer to the fading signal of distress. He finds life barely clinging, frosted and still, and works urgently to warm and awaken the frozen traveler. He becomes a living shield against the storm, pressing warmth into frozen limbs as the blizzard rages around them.